These two Spur gears look identical, but which one is the Tamiya? It's very easy to check if you're using a copy or the original one. First, on this side, it looks very identical, right? Now flip it. There you go. Now the Tamiya one, every gear in Tamiya, they have a code. Like for this one, it's G11. Okay. Then there's number 7 here. But for the copy, there's nothing written on it. So that's the easiest way how to spot a fake from the Tamiya ones. Now this video is very important for the newbies or for the beginners so they know if you're using a copy or the original one. Especially if you're going to join Brickyard Leg Race wherein they only require Tamiya parts to join. That's it for our video. I hope you learned something from it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Tamiya content.